Hello, today is a special day and today is a good day. Here in Uganda and in Buganda, we have a good weather right now. When I look outside through the window, I can see that the weather is nice. Today, let's try to learn how to pronounce words in Luganda, because I know some of you people, you get confused when you see some words are written differently and they are pronounced in a different manner. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to pronounce words, or we are going to give you the hint on how to pronounce words whereby you can't find difficulties when you're trying to read Luganda words and speak Luganda. My name is Kabopika, and today this is Learn Luganda channel, or you can call it Yiga Luganda, where we learn Luganda in a very simple way, in a good way, because this is the only channel where you're going to learn Luganda easily, and where you can comment and I come back and I reply, where you can contact me on my phone number, email and anything, and I reply back to you. Okay, so let me try to teach you today how to pronounce words written in Luganda, and you will not find any problem anymore. Okay, Luganda is one of the biggest or common languages used in Uganda. Luganda also used by foreigners who live in Uganda and work in Uganda, and mostly in Uganda. Welcome to this lesson of Luganda, where I'm going to teach you easy and simple phrases to help you. In this video, you will practice phrases in Luganda as used in various situations. Okay? Luganda is predominantly spoken in Uganda. It's mainly spoken by people called Baganda in Buganda and some parts of Uganda. It is also spoken and understood by other Bantu language speaking people in other regions. Most words are pronounced phonetically. I repeat, most words in Uganda are pronounced phonetically. For example, Ki and Kyi make a sound of CHI, that is chi. I say Ki and Kyi makes a sound of CHI. That sounds chi. So, if you're pronouncing any word with those letters, where you find Ki or Kyi, the sound must be chi. For example, sugarcane, it is in Uganda it's called chikaju, not kikaju, because it is ki, ki, but we pronounce it as chi, chikaju. For example, chichi, what? It is written ki, kiki. That is when you pronounce it the way you say it, but it is in right Luganda it's pronounced as chichi, not kiki but chichi. What? Okay, so those things are a bit technical and confusing, but here we are going to be learning the things. So since we are just starting new lesson, we are just starting new step, something which is technical and confusing, I'll not make it too much things for you. I'll end here. So if you have any question, you can raise your question in the comment section below, and we see how we're going to tackle your question and we help you out, because I want you people to learn when you are learning, not learning just for fun. Okay, I need you people to practice these things and you use them in day-to-day phrases and day-to-day world. Okay, like I told you, Ki, it is the CHI, the sound. Okay, let's end from that. Let's end on that, so that next time when you raise a question, I will come with that question and I answer it and I break it down for you to help you, basically to help you and learn how to pronounce those words in Luganda properly. Okay? My name is Kabopika. Thank you for watching. Let me stop here. We shall meet in the next video. But don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell, whereby whenever I upload the video, you get a notification and you come back and you watch the video, and let your friends subscribe. Even if you know Uganda, you subscribe and let your other friends also to subscribe, and we get the big number here on this platform. My name is Kawapita. Thank you for watching. Sawa sawa.